and beyond.
That quick.
Rendezvous at Planet C. I will remain here at Star Command to coordinate the mission. Battle stations, report to the flight deck for immediate launch. To infinity and beyond.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Stay alive. Disengage autopilot. You got the 6, Space Rangers. Set course for Planet Z. The thumb trigger on your laser cannon fires a single ion pulse. Got to hit Zurg's forces where it counts. Z marks the spot. The thumb trigger on your laser cannon fires a single ion pulse. Aim for the Z. These power-hungry robots are Zurg's first line of defense. Neutralize them with your laser cannon.
Attention Space Rangers, your cruisers have been deactivated by that evil Zurg. Please remain seated, right push will begin momentarily. Star Command, over and out. Great news, Space Rangers, your cruisers have been reactivated. Remain seated and your mission resumes immediately. Star Command, over and out.
What have you done? Reconnect the fusion cells. Power. I must have power.
Get ready for hyperspace. Maximum acceleration.
Galaxy disabled. Prepare for re-entry. Join
Mission accomplished, Space Rangers. Check the status board to review your score. And remember, to infinity and beyond.
Going to the master.